Hello everyone, Barnyard here from freefaucet.io, and today I'd like to show you a new feature that we have on freefaucet.io called surveys. And we have two survey providers, but one of them in particular, called Ethereum is a service that we have now provided to everyone on the site, where you can make up to about $12 an hour in Brazil just completing surveys. I'm going to show you how to do that here. So first things first, you have to make an account with freefaucet.io. But once you have done that and you've answered all of the clarification stuff, you can go to freefaucet.io/surveys/theorem-reach, and I'll leave a link in the description to all the links you'll need for this tutorial. And once you do that, you're going to be transported to another part of the site, which is a survey that you'll be answering. And if you answer this survey, essentially what will happen is it'll take you about 5 to 10 minutes per survey, but once you get to the end of the survey, you'll get a Brazil reward. Now I'm just fast forwarding through my answers for the survey to show you how it all works and how I actually make in this video, in about 7 or 8 minutes, about $1.50 from answering these surveys. Now I do two surveys in this tutorial. One of them, as you see here, kicks me out a little bit early, but I still get some Brazil as a reward. And then the next survey I do here, I finish it all the way to the end and make a lot of Brazil as a result. So this is a great way to earn cryptocurrency in your spare time. We think it is the most cryptocurrency that you can make from any survey provider on the web. And as I'm going through here, I might blur out a few of the personal informations in my surveys, but you can see just how easy it is to answer these surveys and make cryptocurrency for yourself. So all you have to do to be a part of this service is go to freefaucet.io, make an account, answer all of just verify through your phone and through your email. That's all you need to do. And then you can start answering surveys and withdrawing this Brazil into an exchange and then converting it into Bitcoin or keeping it as Brazil or doing whatever you'd like to do from there. So these surveys, they typically take between about 1 and 15 minutes, and you can receive anywhere from 10 Brazil all the way up to about 5,000 or 6,000 Brazil. And at the moment, 5,000 or 6,000 Brazil is about $3. So there's a big range, and you can stand to make, from my experience, about $10 to $12 worth of cryptocurrency per hour doing these surveys. So all you have to do is go through the survey, make sure that you answer truthfully and honestly when you're doing these surveys, because they are very good with their anti-potting regulations and practices. So if you do answer randomly on the questions, you are going to get locked out. Sometimes they ask you the same question multiple times just to make sure that you're still paying attention. But as long as you're truthful and honest, even if you're not the people that they wanted for the survey, you do get a Brazil reward regardless. And if you are, you get a big Brazil reward at the end of the survey. So I fast forwarded this survey about 500% speed, so you can expect the survey to take about 5 times the amount of time you see here. And as you can see, I just got the reward of 1,224 Brazil. And to confirm that, I'm just going to go to the wallet section of my page, and you can see in the bottom, in the wallet history here, when I go to the surveys, the Brazil is right there. And you can see below as well, I've done a few other surveys with Ethereum, and it always pays out and always gives a little bit of Brazil and sometimes gives you a lot of Brazil for answering the surveys. So the next thing you want to do if you want to cash in this Brazil for Bitcoin or something else is you go to an exchange like southexchange.com, make an account and just get an address for Brazil through their system. And then you want to go back to freefaucet.io, go into the wallet widget tab, click Brazil, put in the address, and then click on how much you would like to send out of the site. So once you've done that, you will receive a hash, which is just at the top. And that is the hash on the blockchain now. So now your coins are on your blockchain, on the way to your exchange. In my case, it's South Exchange. And I'll leave a link to South Exchange as well if you'd like to make an account there. Super simple, no KYC required. And then once you're on there, you can go to the Brazil sell page and put up that Brazil for sale that you made from your surveys, so you can transfer it into Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other major cryptocurrency that you'd like. And that's pretty much all there is to it. It's really quite simple. I'll show you here just exactly how much the 1,024 Brazil was that I made from that survey. So let's go into Google, and I'll just sell it here as well so you can see how that works. That's easy enough. And then once you do that, all you have to do is, well, what I'm going to do to show you is just, there's the wallet history there. I'm going to get that amount of Brazil, times it by the amount in Satoshis that Brazil is worth, so you can get a Bitcoin price. And actually what I'll do from there, once I have done that, is convert it into US dollar, and you can see here that that Brazil was worth $1.45 for about 6 or 7 minutes of my time. So as you can see, this is a really great way to make a bit of money, particularly if you're interested in getting cryptocurrency. We really hope that you enjoy this new feature on freefaucet.io. Let us know what you think in the comments as well and on our forum too. And I look forward to you all enjoying this new feature on freefaucet.io.